crap, that was a big fish. Ah, we got him. All right, guys, that morning blitz was over way too soon, so I decided to come back for sunset, and we've got fish. Blitzes down there look even better than they did this morning. All right, this is gonna be a fun last couple hours of daylight, that's for sure. If I can like not eat every wave I see. All right, we are just about in range. The splashes look big when I was coming up to them, so I'm not sure what they are, but only one way to find out. Oh, there we go. Oh, awesome. Oh, guys, we gotta keep moving. Some of the splashes down there are even bigger. Whoa. Okay, that is insane. There must be like 200 birds circling that one little spot. Damn, good thing this kayak has drainage holes. Ooh, that was a good pickup. Oh, there we go. Okay guys, last video was fun. This is nuts. This almost feels like a bass. Oh. Oh no, you're a blue. They're pulling up right in front of me. Oh my god. That fish blew up right into the kayak. Probably would have landed in my lap if it jumped. Thankfully it didn't do that. Alright, so yeah, before that happened, I was going to switch lures. Holy crap, that was a big fish. Oh, we got him. Oh boy, this is gonna be a fight. Whoa. Oh. Whoa. Buddy, you could not have made that shot any better. Alrighty then. Alright, we aren't going to compete with the boats for that blitz. We're going to go find our own. Alright guys, the blitzes are kind of scattered right now, but I'm feeling some blind casts because there's enough random fish popping up where I think we're just going to hit one. Oh, there he is. Oh, there we go. This is a bass. I'm going to be so happy. Nope. Nope. How about that forktail? Damn, it is getting crowded over here. Ah, there we go. Wow, those are big splashes. Those are big fish. Oh, this one isn't bad either. Oh, wow, it's blowing up right around us. Oh, but Buddy wants to go in the other direction. Wow, I can't even move this thing. Oh. Ah, where are you going? Oh, that's not a bad blue, unfortunately. That is going to need to be greased. Okay, this lure is perfect. One hook, but it's on the front, so we're going to get to see them blow up, and I'm not going to have to deal with too many of them. Oh. Oh! That one got him. Look at a bass. Guys, so it looks like behind the school of blues, we got a bunch of bats. Ah, it broke me off. Well, there's my lure. I think our chances of getting it back are pretty slim. fish has already spun me around twice. Oh, saw that coming. Oh. Yes, he spit. Oh, he took it back.